The Ibis at Valencia Ridge is one of our top-selling homes, and once you'll see it, you'll understand why. Come on in. When you first walk in, you're welcomed by these 13-foot ceilings. This home hits that sweet spot. It's the perfect size for easy living without compromising comfort or style. You've got 2 bedrooms plus a den, or make it into a 3rd bedroom for more flexibility. The layout feels wide open thanks to the oversized kitchen island and great room. It's perfect whether you're hosting family or enjoying a quiet night in. The reason it's one of our top sellers, it's a low-maintenance home that still lives large. It's ideal for anyone looking to downsize without compromising. Thanks for taking the tour. I'm Ashley. Come visit us here at Valencia Ridge in Wesley Chapel.